All right, YouTube, I'm going to do a real quick video here on how to progress keys using the Xhorse Dolphin key machine. And for this, I'm going to use a Nissan lock for an example. I got a door lock here that I've leashed. And so you've got your 8 cuts from the door, but of course, we don't know what the last 2 for the ignition are. So I'm going to take the Xhorse app, connect to my machine. Do cut by bidding using a DA34 is fine, 10 cut. And we're going to go and just enter in our known cuts here. So we don't know the first 2. Go 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. And then down here at the bottom, you got find bidding. Working on Nissan. And this is going to actually tell us here that there's might be 2 keys, but there's 4 possibilities. So we're just going to select the first one here, and we'll go ahead and we'll cut it. Alright, so we got our cut key here. And of course, you head back to the car, you can test it on the door, works the door, but say it doesn't work the ignition, so now we need to progress it to the next cut. So we're going to load the same key back in the machine. Like so. And take the app, cutting complete, hit OK. And now I can just click this, and we can hit cut again. It'll go through the whole cutting, and it's just going to be changing the first 2 positions. Or if you want to do it faster, you can actually hit cut by single bidding. And we can just select the first cut and the second cut, and we can cut just those. All right, didn't even need to speed that up. It's a lot faster doing it that way. And then, of course, you go check the ignition, key works, you're done, get paid, go home. Now, one other thing I want to show you, say you didn't have, maybe you're doing a Subaru or something, and, you just leashed the door, but there's no code fill for it. So you can actually be in the actual cutting screen here. You can also, right here, hit cut by single bidding. And if you just wanted to change, position 7 for the heck of it, or just cut position 7, you can. You could actually go to 7. Actually, that's a 4 cut. So let's go to 6, or that's a 2. Let's say we want to make that a 4. So you could just hit 4, hit cut single bidding, and you could select just that one, and then the machine would cut only that space. So there is a way to do it without having to actually put a key blank in, pause it, and swap the key blank. I know that's how some people have been doing it, but there is a better way. And that's it right there. So if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. Really, I guess that's all I got here. We'll talk to everybody later.